I want to ask you if you've ever forgotten where you placed a file on your PC. It can sure get frustrating, right? So click on your Documents folder and open it up. And then you need to right click on the Documents folder, select New Folder. And see where it's highlighted, New Folder? And then you right click the inside of it. You highlight it and right click on the inside of it, and you should be able to rename it. If you highlight it and type inside the box, then you can rename it. Let's say, for example, game development. Then you'll see it right there, and then you right click again and you select New Folder, and then you can start building your directory tree. Let's say this one will be called Java, if I can spell Java correctly. Just a little humor. And then go back up to Game Development folder and select New Folder. And you can see these are going under the directory tree of Game Development. You can put all your HTML in here. And then you can go back up to Game Development and select a new folder and rename it CSS for your cascading style sheet. Go back up to Game Development. As you can see, your tree is coming right along. And you continue this process until you've reached your desired number of folders for your directory tree. And if you make a mistake, you can always go back and correct that mistake with just a little bit of work. See, create a new folder, and let's say you call this one your VIN. And there's a simple document tree for you. If you want to close the tree, close the tree. See, and it's everything in the tree is listed over here in the right. And then if you want to open the tree on the left, you see they're all listed below the Game Development folder and everything within the Game Development folder. And if you open up, well, let's say Java, this is where your JavaScript files can be saved at. And then don't forget to save your work as usual. And then you can just close this window, and to make sure it's there, you just reopen your Documents folder and click on your Documents, and see there it is, Game Development, and there's all your folders. Reclose that, and you're done. As any working professional in the field of internet technology, we can sometimes and do forget how to do a common Windows environment task. However, practice from time to time utilizing the information you have just watched today will help you in the future how to create a directory tree for your project. Creating new folders, renaming those folders with good naming conventions, and saving all your work can help you retain your knowledge of Windows 8 environment. Again, closing to all the guests, colleagues, business partners, thanks for watching this presentation. Hope you keep one thing in mind. Always save your work. Once the folders are created, then the files can be saved to those folders.